Evolution of Military Tactics, Part 2. From the thunderous clash of ancient spears to the deafening roar of modern weaponry, the evolution of military tactics has been an enthralling symphony of strategy, innovation, and sheer human ingenuity. Step into the shoes of history's greatest commanders as we unravel the secrets behind their triumphs and defeats. In case you missed it, in Part 1, we took a thrilling journey through time, exploring the evolution of military tactics from ancient times of the Revolutionary War to World War II. Today, we continue our quest, ready to uncover the astonishing transformations that have shaped the warfare after Second World War. Let's dive headfirst into the riveting realm of military tactics, where each shift is a glimpse into humanity's relentless pursuit of dominance on the battlefield. Chapter 1. Cold War Era, Nuclear Deterrence, and Proxy Wars. We are starting this episode with the gripping world of the Cold War era, where the stakes were higher than ever before. As tensions escalated between superpowers, military tactics took a dramatic turn, shaped by the rise of nuclear weapons and the chilling concept of mutually assured destruction, or MAD. The Cold War era was defined by a strategic arms race, a relentless competition to outmatch the adversary in terms of destructive capabilities. It witnessed the birth of intercontinental ballistic missiles, or ICBMs, capable of delivering devastating payloads across continents in a matter of minutes. The mere presence of these missiles sent shivers down the spine of nations locked in a high-stakes game of deterrence. But the Cold War wasn't just about the threat of nuclear annihilation. It was a time of proxy wars, where the superpowers fought their battles through unconventional means. Instead of direct confrontation, they sought to influence conflicts in other regions, employing a myriad of unconventional warfare tactics. Covert operations, sabotage, and support for local insurgencies became the norm as these powers maneuvered their pawns on the global chessboard. From training and arming guerrilla fighters to launching psychological warfare campaigns, no tactic was too unconventional in this high-stakes game of geopolitical chess. The threat of nuclear devastation loomed large, and unconventional warfare strategies blurred the lines between friend and foe. It's an era that forever changed the face of military tactics and left an indelible mark on the course of history. Stay tuned for more captivating insights. Evolution of Military Tactics, Part 2 is just getting started. Chapter 2. India-Pakistan Wars, Tactical Considerations. Now let's turn our attention to the intense conflicts that have shaped the Indian subcontinent and revolutionized military tactics. The India-Pakistan Wars brought forth a myriad of tactical considerations that forever altered the course of warfare. As armies clashed on the vast plains and treacherous mountains, armored warfare and combined arms tactics took center stage. The thunderous roar of tanks and the coordination of infantry and artillery became pivotal elements in achieving victory. We'll explore the strategic maneuvers, flanking tactics, and decisive armored battles that defined these conflicts. But it wasn't just the land battles that captivated the world. The skies became a battleground of intense aerial combat. Fighter jets soared through the air, engaging in dogfights and tactical maneuvers that showcased the art of air warfare. From air superiority missions to precision strikes, the use of fighter jets reshaped military tactics and showcased the critical importance of air power on the modern battlefield. Additionally, special forces emerged as crucial assets in these conflicts, conducting covert operations and executing unconventional tactics behind enemy lines. From surgical strikes to intelligence gathering, these elite units demonstrated their prowess and adaptability, leaving an indelible mark on the evolution of military tactics. Chapter 3. Modern Warfare, Technological Advancements. Next up are the cutting-edge innovations that have propelled warfare into a new era. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional means of communication. The advent of advanced technologies has brought about a quantum leap in real-time information sharing, enabling commanders to make swift and well-informed decisions on the battlefield. Next, we witness the awe-inspiring power of precision-guided munitions and smart weaponry. Guided by advanced sensors and targeting systems, these munitions can strike with unprecedented accuracy, minimizing collateral damage and maximizing effectiveness. But perhaps the most captivating aspect of modern warfare is the role of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and drones. These futuristic machines have become indispensable assets, providing invaluable surveillance capabilities and conducting deadly strikes with remarkable precision. The evolution of military tactics in the modern era is a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation and the fusion of technology with strategy. Stay with us on this thrilling journey through the annals of history, shedding light on the marvels that shaped the modern warfare. Chapter 4: Counterinsurgency and Asymmetric Warfare. Let's look into the dramatic shift from traditional warfare to the complex and challenging battleground of combating insurgency and terrorism. Let's delve straight into the enthralling world of counterinsurgency and asymmetric warfare. As traditional warfare gave way to the rise of insurgency and terrorism, military forces were compelled to adapt their tactics and strategies to combat this unconventional menace. In this segment of Evolution of Military Tactics, we witness the profound shift in mindset and approach required to navigate this complex landscape. No longer confined to conventional battlefields, soldiers now face elusive adversaries who blend seamlessly with civilian populations, challenging the very foundations of warfare. Counterinsurgency tactics become paramount, emphasizing the importance of intelligence gathering, building trust with local communities, and disrupting the insurgents' networks. It's a battle that extends beyond mere physical force, demanding a comprehensive understanding of the social, cultural, and political factors at play. Yet, the path is strewn with formidable challenges. Non-state actors, driven by extremist ideologies, employ irregular warfare tactics that defy conventional rules. From hit-and-run ambushes to suicide bombings, they exploit vulnerabilities and strike with ruthless precision. This era is all about the efforts of soldiers who strive to maintain the delicate balance between order and chaos in the face of unrelenting insurgency and terrorism. Chapter 5: Afghanistan War. Ambush Tactics. The Afghanistan War was a complex and multifaceted struggle. It witnessed a relentless insurgency that thrives on surprise and deception. Ambush tactics became the weapon of choice for insurgent forces, allowing them to strike swiftly and disappear into the shadows, leaving their adversaries reeling. Among their arsenal of deadly tools, improvised explosive devices, IEDs, took the center stage. These sinister creations lurk along roadsides, waiting patiently to unleash devastation on unsuspecting troops. The very ground they walk becomes a potential death trap, demanding constant vigilance and nerve-wracking anticipation. But the insurgents' cunning doesn't stop there. Hit-and-run attacks add another layer of menace to the battlefield. Their agility and knowledge of the terrain provided a distinct advantage, turning every encounter into a high-stakes game of survival. Chapter 6: Cyber Warfare and Information Operations. In this captivating chapter of our epic series, we will step into the shadowy world of cyber warfare and information operations, where battles are fought in the depths of the digital realm. Gone are the days when warfare was confined to physical domains. The cyber domain has risen, presenting a new frontier for strategists and soldiers alike. With devastating consequences looming just a few clicks away, nations engage in a covert war, employing ingenious tactics to infiltrate and disrupt their adversaries' networks. Strategies in cyber warfare range from stealthy reconnaissance to crippling sabotage, leaving no system safe from potential attack. The battleground is no longer defined by tanks and artillery, but by lines of code and digital vulnerabilities. It's a world where firewalls become fortresses and hackers become the vanguards of warfare. Information operations play an equally vital role as shaping public opinion becomes a weapon in its own right. Governments and actors harness the power of misinformation, propaganda, and social media manipulation to influence conflicts, sway public sentiment, and gain the upper hand. In this era, the nations and non-state actors engage in an invisible dance of power. Chapter 7: Future Trends and Tactics. Lies ahead is the era of artificial intelligence, AI, and the autonomous systems where machines become powerful allies on the battlefield. Experience the integration of virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, transforming the way wars are fought and won. But as technology advances, we must confront the ethical considerations and profound implications of these evolving military tactics. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of future warfare, where innovation and morality intersect and the destiny of nations hangs in the balance. As we conclude this journey through the evolution of military tactics, we stand in awe of the relentless innovation that has shaped the way wars are fought. From ancient battlefields to the modern cyber domain, the tactics and strategies have adapted to the changing times. Make sure to join us in future episodes as we continue to explore the dynamic world of warfare, uncovering the secrets of military history and the ever-evolving tactics that shape our world. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and stay prepared.